After discussing about long-term and mid-term goal, we now shift our focus to the most difficult problem, which is the short-term goal. In Wealth Easy, we call it regular income, because when we started Wealth Easy and we started to talk to a lot of retail investors, they had one ask, that is, they have a capital and they want to deploy that capital to generate regular income for themselves in a month's time or a quarter time with lowest risk possible. And they had two asks for us. Number one, that the number should be sizable. It doesn't make sense that if you want to generate a regular income to buy a laptop, for example, and your method generates only 500 rupees per month. The second is that it should entail less risk. So we have to balance these two things. And the approach that we have taken is that we pick quality stocks, and our quant model actually detects the upward movement in these stocks in the next 5 to 30 days. So our holding time is only between 5 to 30 days. And because we are able to sell our stocks in less than 30 days, we are able to generate regular income for our users. You will be surprised that most of our users of Wealth Easy were the first time entry into the stock market. So we actually help them understand what stock is and how to use Wealth Easy to generate regular income. Now after talking about Wealth Easy, I also want to talk about some of the most other common methods to generate regular income. The most common method in India is to put your money in a bank, and the interest that you get becomes your regular income. But the problem is that the interest is way too small for you to make an impact. And the second approach that people do is they buy some property, maybe a flat, and they rent it out, and the rental that they get is their monthly income. Now for that you require a very large capital, and the return on investment is also very low. So in Wealth Easy, that is what we have tried to solve. How can we balance the risk and get more reward for it? Now the holy grail that you see all around you is day traders trying to use futures and options to generate regular income, but it's way too risky. I don't recommend that for retail investors. It's only for very, very experienced users. So within the constraint of these risks, within the constraints of the sizable return that we have to achieve, we came up with this scientific method of using quant to detect the upward trend in the stock, and using shorter duration, less than 30-35 days, to sell the stock to generate regular income. And I'm really keen to know how you generate your regular income, and this is over and above your salary. So the challenge that you have is that over and above the monthly salary that you get, you have to generate regular income, because most of the retail investors, they find that as a form of independence if they are able to generate something over and above their salaries. And in Wealth Easy, we have also 40% of our users as homemakers who have used their savings maybe around, and their kitty is around anywhere between 50,000 to 2 lakhs. With that amount, they are able to generate regular income. So you can even go to wealtheasy.ai to check how we use this approach for regular income. And thanks a lot for watching this entire series. In the next series, what I will do is I will try to pick up one of the most important pain areas for most of us retail investors. So in Wealth Easy, we keep talking to a lot of retail investors, small investors, and try to understand what the pain areas are. And we also talk to those folks who have never been exposed to capital market and they want to enter this space, and what are their key questions. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching.